country are wicked to me.
Listen to me, this can't work for your can't hack.
This is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it, into this lockdown. Oh my god, I can't wait for it done. Oh.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something me, how what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Kartel takes vaccine. My word, my sentence. So popular, incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, according to Nationwide News, has taken the AstraZeneca vaccine. Alright, so this is what it says. It says that dancehall star Vybz Kartel was one of the 30 inmates of the Horizon Adult Correctional Center to take the AstraZeneca vaccine. Okay, I mean, this is not really surprising, but I am just more eager to find out, like, will this actually encourage more persons to take the vaccine now? Because, you know, so everything Kartel do, Jamaican man just feel like they have to be disciple and go follow suit. But yeah, you know, I don't know why this should be a shocker though, because Kartel is always up to the time. Oh gosh, that was so bad. So anyway, burritos, are you happy that Kartel has taken the vaccine, or you think him should have just roll out? Sound off below. Number 9, Spice, Tricks, Shaggy, my stage show. Alright, so you know the queen of stage, dancehall artist Spice. She was performing recently to a massive crowd. Let's just ignore the whole fact that, you know, COVID kind of their own. But, you know, she was performing on stage and she brought out Shaggy for her first official, unofficial live performance of Go Down There.
Shaggy, you think you can manage me? When you think Shaggy can manage me? Pull up.
Spice, whenever the plan, no challenge when you get
And that's the fact.
But in the middle of the performance, she called him out, you know, and then tell him a little thing, and then things took a turn.
Come here, Minnie. Come here, Minnie. Are you the one that is your welcome?
Okay, alright. That is exactly what the song said, and that is what Shaggy did. I kind of want Shaggy and Spice for dance, but then again, I know Spice probably know him wife, and all of them look at something there said probably would have really weird. So, you know, big up yourself, Spice, for not doing it, because you know the little strips them, and you know you don't have no luck with people already. So, let me know, burritos, what do you think of this moment, this spicy moment with Shaggy? Sound off below. Number 8, Tufton resigns. My chicken gun ya. Why did I say that? Anyway, so the PNP is actually suggesting that the health minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, resign from his post.
When? Who's part our time? Who's part?
No, boy, oh boy. My question right about now, before me even jump into what the newspaper them say, them can't read the room. No, PNP, come on, man. God see and know, say people are trying to work, you know, because people have whole heap of things to say about the JLP right now. So this is a time where you could really get a forward, you could get a little point, so you can come off for the nil. Hashtag reggae boys. But really and truly, man, come on, man. This is not how you start it, man. Jesus, crime and PNP. Oh gosh, I said the other day when I have the opposition leader, Mr. Mark Golding, he makes some suggestions. I mean, like, alright then, bad to bad, not bad at all, PNP. But you know, come with this, no. Me not think this will give a favor. It's not giving what you think it's supposed to give. Do you understand how beloved Dr. Christopher Tufton is? You know what is very weird? People could have seen with you a little bit if they mentioned the Prime Minister, but me don't know, Jamaican people right now come like them have a little soft spot for Mr. Christopher Tufton. It's like they just understand, say, boy, the poor man are trying now, you know, easy for deal with Jamaican people, you know. Look on the man, up and down every minute. You can't probably allow, you know, how long the man probably don't get a good decent meal. I get a nice little massage for just relax. Somebody can put him up a sandals, make him go stay there and relax a little bit, man. About 2 years now, the man just up and down, you know, man. Jesus crime. What am I trying to do? How to work, Portia? Yeah, that is how people kind of feel about Christopher Tufton. Me don't know. According to Dr. Dayton Campbell, several months after Jamaica recorded its first COVID-19 case, there is still no proper COVID-19 management plan. He's accusing the minister of poor planning, which he says resulted in the recent oxygen shortage at several hospitals across the island. But anyway, so I want to hear from you. Do you think that the health minister should step down, or you think the PNP with the 1 year need for hold several seats? Number 7, vax protest. Alright, so burritos. So you know, say right now people are just on the fence. Should they get the jab or should they not? And so several Jamaicans came out in their numbers, and no, this is not a church crusade. This was to basically protest and okay, and so they did this in Half-a-Tree as well as in Maypen Square. And listen, you have the right to protest if you want to protest, but my thing is that you're actually not being forced. But son of burritos, what do you think about these protests? Number 6, police fight jerk man. No, burritos, I'm gonna tell it like this video, I'd love to get more information, but I don't really like it because, you know, I feel it for the entrepreneurs, especially in this time with the whole lockdowns. Many of them have taken a hit to their salary.
Why first me I see this. I'm afraid to take a policeman picture, you know. But me out of base side I come buy a piece of chicken and I see a policeman take a chicken them and start dash them out of the pan. Today. Policeman take a chicken them and dash them out of the pan. Kick over 2 pan down there some. Nice what? And the people in the pan needs, you know. The people in there register with needs. And see the bank here go say no, it's system.
Yeah, honestly, I don't like that. I don't like this at all. I don't really like it. Like, look on a good food. You know what people that love for them chicken right now? Me would want a chicken right now, and yeah. Anyway, burritos, let me know what you think about this situation. Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done.
Before the girls them sexy and young.
Run club. Sing along. Well then, big up the friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up dancehall artist Mr. Pepper. You might know him for this single, Hypocrites Attack. But now he has a brand new song premiering and it is called Nah Worry.
Nothing at all me nah worry about. Nah listen to talk and they not him out. Cover me lad when we stepping out. Cause them a plan not dance to get me out. Success and progress are that them no like. Vex when the next youth a sort out him life.
Yes, so the song is available on all streaming platforms, so please to go and check it out. Download it on the usual strips. Also, I want to big up all the Jamaican athletes that have been working and pushing their bodies to the limits on the Diamond League circuit.
You can't take off the mask, man. What? Jesus. No, running night, Pat.
Also, we have to go and big up Usain Bolt on the release of his debut album, Country Youth. It's a good look.
I'm always at days like this. Days like this. I just need a break. Need a little time for myself.
Alright, so I'm just putting my own commercial in the middle of the countdown. Now, if you are watching this, please, I'm encouraging you to go and follow me on my Instagram page right here. So follow me right now. I'm actually waiting. I'm waiting. And when you follow me, send me a DM. I will respond. Okay. Alright, burritos, let me just go and add this. So I have been blessed enough to be filling in for Miss Kitty on Nationwide Radio. And I'm alone in a Rush Cam is there as well, you know, so we've been co-hosting and enjoying the vibe so far. I'll be there this week again, Wednesday and Friday. So please tune in and just, you know, have some fun with us.
Good afternoon. This is Miss Kitty live, and this is not Miss Kitty right about now. Miss Kitty, make sure say you're good. I hope that everything is okay with you and you recover quick and fast. But right here, filling in for her, you're hearing the Dutty voice. My name is Duttyberry, and with me right here is my brethren.
Yes.
My brethren Rush Cam.
Yes.
Mr. Social Host, JA Host, and all of these things. How you doing?
Number 5, Candy Shears. Alright, so you remember Candy Wow? Yes, man, the Wow Queen shape, go down all of these things. I sing, come on and love me, mama. Like a chicken, like a cha-cha. Yeah, same that, Candy. And somebody caught up with her on the corner and asked,
It's a secret, keep it a secret.
I never must have to give a good old wow.
Wow! Okay, alright, Candy. Okay. I mean, several points made. That's all I have to say. Comment down below, but several points made. Number 4, baby alert. Me Shamai. No, what you call it? Is it Shamai? Oh, me Nappy. Yeah, me Nappy, that's what you call it. So, dancehall princess Shenseea took to social media to share this video, but I can't really tell if she's joking or not. Watch it and then let me know afterwards.
Baby, I want another baby. I love my son. I want another son, and I want a girl. Or I can have 3 sons and a girl. I'm 24. I got my money. What am I waiting for? Can I have...
She actually wants some kids now. Shenseea, she's under 25 years old. She gets signed and all of these things. Project with Kanye West on Big Bad Donda album. And I don't know if this is the perfect timing, but if she feels it in her spirit, in her heart, forgive Rogero, siblings, then she have the freedom, she have the money. Kylie Jenner can do it, she can do it too. She has the money and the resources to take care of these kids. But let me know what you say, Burritos. Are you here for Shenseea having a little... I was about to say a little lighter. But yes, Burritos, to the man them listening to this, are you willing to support Shenseea with this by providing her with some well-needed, yeah? Sound off below. Number 3, Nicki take over. My word, my sentence, my barb. Alright, so Nicki Minaj has been taking over social media recently. I mean, from she give birth, Nicki just relax and enjoy her life. Like, me not hear she nobody in too much bickerings. She is just relaxing and just like having fun. And it's great to see. So recently she actually started following a bunch of dancehall artists such as Pampute, Queenie, Maca Diamond, even the PTR girls, Pretty Dancing Rebel and TC. And so, me even see her put up a little video dancing to a Pampute song, like, wow. Yeah. That is a big deal. Now, in the meantime, she even jumped on a Twitter space with, a couple of her fans, and she was interacting with them, having discussions, and wow.
People, I'll hear their songs, and then I'll look them up a little bit more, and then I'm like, oh, I like him. I really like this person as a human.
And then, on top of that, you know that Nicki Minaj actually linked up with Rihanna in New York recently. It seems that the two had a double date. So Nicki was there with her husband, her petty husband, and then, Rihanna bringing A$AP Rocky. And I can see them just vibing and having a great time.
Caribbean things, you know what I'm saying?
Caribbean girls, my name.
Bajans don't let Trinis. And Trinis don't let bitches either. The draw a line in the ocean over flying fish. But that's a different night. That's for a different.
No, in the middle of all of that, I'm just wondering. We know Serena is going to do a Caribbean, a dancehall album. But based on Nicki's recent movements, does she have something up her sleeve? Will she and Rihanna have a collaboration? Is she planning to do some dancehall projects? Nicki and Pampute? I don't know, but it could happen. Let me know what you think about all of these moves Burritos. Sound off below. Number 2, scholarship test fail. Merang bang. Alright, Burritos, so this particular video now, it's about the very popular scholarship prank. Like, if you haven't seen it, you need to just go up on YouTube, go up on Twitter, go up on Instagram and search the scholarship prank. And I kid you not, you will be LOLing from now till the morning. So the scholarship prank is basically where you have somebody sit down, tell a lie to their parent or their grandparent or family member that in order for them to get a scholarship, that they have to talk about and share the story of someone who they look up to. So when they're in front of the camera, they want to share the story, them tell a lie and mention to the person used to the prostitution, and then get that individual's raw reaction. So this is
Keisha, and this is my father, Patrick. So I'm applying for the scholarship to go abroad to get great job opportunities, right? So this is my father. He had a stroke like 2 years ago, so he's unable to speak. He can't even speak his name properly, right? As you can see, he's a bit deformed in the hand as well, and if he stands up, he actually falls. Daddy. Alright, he doesn't want to do that. He has done a lot of things for us, even unspeakable things, because at one point he had to actually
Me nah blood clot. Me say me not.
That easy to please.
Easy what? But
me can't crop out that, Daddy. Me can't crop out. Me can't crop out that. Come now, me can't crop out that.
You say you have to kick.
Alright, cool. Because he stole a lot. He has done unspeakable things like sell his body.
Hey girl, go so. When you say sell body, what that mean? What? Don't me know when I tell people about sell body, what that mean? You know what me nah. Me say me nah do it. You make sit now you laugh. How the bat up you laugh on that? I don't know scam people.
Right. So as I say,
listen me, this can't work for you can't hack. You
Daddy,
can't. You're not a hacker. You're a puppet.
Daddy.
You know, honestly, I cannot bother. I legit cannot bother. You know what just impressed me about this entire video is that he was not upset that she called him thief and like say him and broken, he's a prostitute. He was more angered by the fact that this girl couldn't be a convincing liar. She couldn't hold true to the story, and that is why I have to respect that father, because at the principle, if you're going to go through this lens for go tell lie on the man about all of these things, at least sell the story, you know, carry it home, make it convincing to the point where you'd pass out Meryl Streep and Viola Davis, and this girl, she never do it. She laughed right through. So I am there with the father. Like, this was just an embarrassment for that alone. But let me know what they thought about this video. Burritos, sound off below.
Scan them, you don't know a Spice, and you're watching the DuttyBerryshow. Keep it locked. Spice to that.
And number one goes to Spice Chugs It. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to Spice Chugs It. No, oh my God, where do I even start with this story? So there I was, minding my business as I usually do when somebody send me this video of Spice on live, just cussing. No, this is not nothing new to Spice, you know. I was just wondering, Lord of His mercy, who the box foot sells Spice out now?
Be more professional.
No, no, what professional? Cause when me professional, me end up them throw shit in on me face.
Okay, shit is okay, but you're not saying you can wipe off the shit when it's done in your face.
Me no want them throwing shit in on my face.
Spice went on her Instagram live to basically just cuss the promoters of Chug It. Now, if you don't know Chug It is one of them big bad party festival excitement there, and now it has taken its wings and gone to America to have the staging over there. So Spice was billed there. She was supposed to be, I guess, the headline act. And so, you know, the little usual thing, you have to get her money, you have to get the little stuff them, so she can be comfortable and all that she needs to perform to her optimum ability. But them never ensure the whole of that, and Spice never like it, so you know Spice never hold fear mouth, especially knowing say she and people just don't have good looks.
Just make a post on them Instagram page. So I go live a while ago, I'm telling them say I not talk nothing, I go try to remain professional. Chug It make a post a while ago on them Instagram page. Say them a go sue me and them pay me how much money, and basically me I sue them back for defamation of character. Cause I sue for sue I go on right now. And me I go show Chug It sir, any other promoter we plan to use my fans them now go do it again. So right now, Chug It, you can make sure no say I sue for sue. Anybody can.
No, honestly, you need to just love people alone. This approves say just need for love people alone and go live in a hut by yourself.
Hold on. You see me a profit? I airport this me there make video phone on. You never know say me a plan phone a long time. Say me have the whole of my receipt them before this happen.
But Chug It, me make sure I make the video from now almost an hour me sit down out at airport. Me I go home. Remember everything. When you no hotel for give me, when you have to buy more than tickets for come here, so it now go work.
Next video.
I say all the part here, I know people are going to take it and make a meme because it just so happened that one of the promoters them of Chug It name is Andrew. So right there, so you know this I take a different meaning.
Andrew, you're wicked to me. Andrew, you're wicked to me. Me try with you.
Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on your post notification. Do not forget to leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown, as well as to subscribe because I try to reach the 300,000 mark on YouTube. I'm needing the help, so get enough friends, enough family, enough foes, everybody to go on a sneaky links to go and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to follow me on my social media, it is right here, so on all of the social media them. And if you want to advertise within the countdown, just shoot me an email to right here so. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I will have me not the week, yo, just tune in, scene.